Yeah, greetings each and everyone. Welcome to another episode of Ziggieseh. And this week we're going to reason about a brand new auto mechanic shop where the Chinese man them just opened in Jamaica. See? So let's keep it locked. So forward. Yeah. Alright. Brand spanking new auto mechanic shop, the Chinese man them open in our yard. See? I want to tell you, say, me I look on the vibes, you know, me I see some video and thing. See? They open it in a St. Andrew. Yeah, after Ferry Highway. Somewhere after the Ferry Highway there. See? Yeah, man. So, I see some videos still. Come and check it out, you know, and I tell you so one thing, make notice. The line crazy for going there. See? People there from all 3 a.m. and wait. See? So the line crazy. See? But I saw the thing said, I saw it go. But with that now, massive, it can be good and it can be bad. See? In my opinion. So I'm going to reason about it. Because we just can't reason about the thing. See? And I own a reason. See? To make sure so I don't leave in the comments them and everything. Let me know what I go on. But the reasoning. Alright, so good and bad. See? Alright, I'm going to reason about the good. What I think about it now. See? The good thing about the mechanic shop there is it's a new mechanic shop in Jamaica. Big and spacious, brand new equipment, new technologies. See, it's a new mechanic shop for our Jamaicans who have them vehicle to go and get them things service up and deal with them things. See? Different from the one that's here again. So it's added to the one that is here, that is there already. See? New mechanic shop, nothing wrong with that. See? Competition, nothing wrong with that. Competition, good more time. Because more time, some of the mechanics, them are sleep. See? Yeah, man. Them are sleep more time. So this would wake them up now. And make them do the right thing. See? The right thing for them people, them. See? Prices. See? It's like people can start save all the money now. Because I see all the next bridging. When I watch, him went there, although him there from about 9 o'clock in the morning. And when about after 9 him come out of the place the night, him say he was like 40 in line. So the other rest of people them, you know, we get through. So him being 40, number 40, and 9 o'clock him come out when him done film service, you know. But guess what the man say? Him save some money, him save about 30 to 40% compared to where the other mechanic shop them did that tell him, say him that it to charge him. So right away, people are save money right there. So you don't know, so people want to save money. See? And I'm going to get the same good service. See? So people are going to go there. So that is good also. And they be after the Jamaican drivers them. Because all about them, you know. And them it boil down to, you know, the Jamaican people them. Better service and everything. And pay less money for better service. You can't beat that. See? Tires, parts and all them things there. Work out cheaper because the Chinaman them plan for bringing in everything underneath that one roof there, you know. You can, maybe if you want an engine, them have it running in the back there around the store up, whatever you want, transmission, anything. See, it's not like one time we have to go to a mechanic shop now and him say, boy, the transmission are going on and you have to go send for this or you have to go send for that. And them send all overseas for the parts or wherever if them not have it in Jamaica. The Chinaman them are going to bring that down, bring on everything. They are Jamaica already. So right there, so that's a good thing again right there. So see, so I love the vibes them, I love that with it. It can definitely bring some good to the Jamaican people them who are drive them vehicle. Cause you don't say Jamaica road them rough, you know. See, whole heap of patrol, you know. See, that is the next thing them need to go fix. Prime Minister won't deal with the patrols them. Going to have some community more time. Nice community, nice big houses when you look on the road them. Some hard patrol. See, mash up your front end and all them things. So we're going to need some good shop to deal with them things with some fair prices. So the Chinaman them bringing in that into the island. See? Alright. Drift off a little bit. A long time the Chinaman them they in the place, you know. I do things, you know. I remember say Highway 2000 when PJ Patterson was Prime Minister in 1999. He make a deal with them for the Highway 2000. Which in my opinion Trust me, the highway is very nice. Can I drive on them? See? Remember one time y'all got all of Ochi, I take all 3 hours to reach at Ochi. Now all an hour. If you have some of the fast driver, them are 45 minutes. But I don't recommend that. See, please slow down on the road. See? Just relax and cruise. Yeah. So for me, it will take all an hour and a half, because cruise me and cruise. But one thing I can tell you is, if your vehicle not good, don't go on it. Stay to the local road. Them. If your vehicle not good, the vehicle can burn up. Because when you look, all the one from Portmore, they were like Ochi. When you go through the toll and you look up so, and see where you got come, like I saw the road stay in front of you, And I say, real? Man, tell you, so if your vehicle not good, it's going to pop down on the way. See? So make sure your vehicle good. And when you look on the work where the man them do, the man them grenade out road, through the hills them, and the valleys them, Jamaica could do them work there. Jamaica don't have the equipment to do them work there, So we welcome them work there because the people have more roads to drive on now. Seeing only per car there road, the place overpopulated with car. More time if you live all your yard. Number of day your yard and for reach I work all 7 o'clock all the morning and boy you live all 5 o'clock. You go late. You go late bad too. All 10 o'clock you just reach your work. Thus you come out of Portmore for go all uptown, See? I tell you that. See? So one time, but now it's much better now because brand new road, 3 lanes that come across all the Causeway Bridge and all them things and nicer right now. See? Because I remember going out to school with a little Causeway Bridge we usually did it, one little small bridge. So when I look back on it, I'm telling you, said, trust me, every day I risk we run for go to school and come back home. Big up to them driver at them time there with all them big buses. Because a 1 lane go and 1 lane so. See? And when you're driving, you look over one little small railing right there. So, one time you look down as a little youth, you look down in the water, the bus is so high. But over the years, you notice, on the same Causeway Bridge there, you find out that the bridge there was sinking, Yeah, man, the bridge there did sink, man. Because me can remember seeing after years after driving on it. It's like they're closer to the water now. The bus is so way up again, the bus is more closer to the water now. So, when the man them step in and abandon all them bridge there, because they still can't go look on it. Man use it as fishing right now. The fishermen them use it as them fishing from our fight right now. But the big pretty highway there next to it right now with 3 lanes now and all them things, they can't go wrong. You don't have to worry about that again. Seeing the fishing people them was out here so after the Causeway Road right there. So they move them give them a kind of people there for years, See? So they move them and give them a nice place not too far for themselves. You can go buy fish around the same here. But the whole right there so now, them dump up the water there right there so big lane, 3 lane, I go so 3 lane, I come back so. So it's a great thing for the country. See, for the Portmore people, the only thing I like with that now. See, a one way you should have pay. You're not supposed to pay if you go back home. You pay for come out, but the people have to pay both ways. So a certain part of the deals where PJ didn't make, certain part not too good. I like certain part. Because I kind of get to understand also say, them money there, I go back to China. Which is not a problem, but a little percentage should I see a Jamaica still. Because I them bringing everything, I them bill it for the people them. So obviously the man never go on about them money. The deal that. See? And also a part of the deal, me say them Jamaican government give them certain lands and them thing there. And it come like them have a certain waterfront and them thing there where them can come build up them own a dock and all them things there. Where them are export and import things as them like. We don't like that part there. So I really hope that the part there is not fact. Seeing, because no other else country not supposed to have them own a dock in our place. Seeing, I bring in and I bring out as them want. Because we can't go to China. Go do them things there. No time at all, that can't work. Seeing, so no China or no other else country not supposed to come in our island and come get them privilege there. Are we supposed to control our water waves? Seeing? So I just drift off on that for sure a little bit say. The Chinese them been in Jamaica for years, man. Them have some Jamaican Chinese years, hell that giant people when them talk a straight patois. Them come live amongst the people them. See? And me prefer them personally in them more than the white people them, the white man them. Because I guess what over the years, what the white man them do? Them come in with them and empty. And when them leave, them and full of things. Them come in and come milk out what in our place. And come buy out this and buy out that and take away things and carry it. The China man them come in with a plan. Them come in with thing in them hand and make a deal. Them not come in empty-handed in a China. China go run all over the world and I make deals with other countries in Africa, in other Caribbean places. Them nothing wrong with that. The China man, them a businessman, them hard working to see me, them a business people, them. You understand? So I love that with the China, them different from the so-called white race, them who just want to rape and rob or take away everything. The China man, them bring a thing and build up the road and build up things. Build up hotels and them things. See? So that's the good thing with the China them. So back on the mechanic shop again, it's a good thing for the Jamaican people them. Yeah. See? Jamaican mechanics, step up on the thing, that's all I have to do. Step up on the things, man. Alright? Yes, step up on the things from now on, man. Because competition is there. Alright? Have no fear. Just step up on the thing because some great mechanic there yard. See, so to step up on the thing. Yeah, man. I not lie. I love how the Chinese them are going with the road thing. Remember a lot of 3 mile for the people who know all 3 mile. See, 3 mile used to have the roundabout, you know. Remember roundabout, you drive round. Right now we go to 3 mile, roundabout gone. Overhead bridge, so. See, overhead bridge. More time I think say a foreign me there. When I see all them clip there, overhead bridge. Right out of 3 mile there, so. See? So them think there's improvement in the country. Road work, improvements. See, as I say, from the inner city them, certain communities, government needs to do better with that part there. Because the China man must build up the highways and the big thing, you know, but like all the regular local road with the Jamaican, them, the Prime Minister, them are dealing with them part there. We have to do a better job with that, Mr. Prime Minister. I'm not telling no lie. See? Do a better job with the inner city roads, them need to do back over. Them have some roads in the Portmore the last 20 years them do. From the scheme just built, them road they do, them road they do back again. Come on, and do better. See? Make the roads them good all around. Not only on the highways them and the byways. See? Alright. The bad about the thing you know. So that's the good way I kind of like about the whole China thing and them build up the roads and mechanic shop and all of them things there. See? The bad about the thing you know. The Jamaican mechanic them right now, none of them are going to lose money. They are going to lose customers. Seeing? They're going to end up lose customers, you know. Because man, here's something new. No matter who bring it in, we hear something new, we go over there to try it out. No matter who, if it's a white man bring it in, we go over there to try it out because it's brand new, it's a new facility. And we go try it. So the old mechanic them, they're going to lose customer. That's one of the bad on their side. Seeing? And another thing with them to see me, the mechanic them love give a whole heap of run around still, you know. Them give people a whole heap of run around. You understand? Then we know say it's just a little thing you need for your vehicle and tell you X amount of things say you want this and that and this and that. Seeing? And charge you a bag of money, see me. Overprice the people them. Seeing? So at them thing there right now I go reach them. Alright? Overpricing and them things there. But all them have to do, just do the right thing, because competition is here right now. So when I just do the right thing, stop overcharge the people them. Stop have all 10 vehicles in front of one and a man forward and want all a little thing fixed on the thing and I take the job. I know say 10 vehicles in front of him all a week time and then I take the man car or the woman car and just go park it up. See, knowing say when I have 10 vehicle job in front of that. Nobody take that job there then, man. See? Just send them to somebody else, because you know, can't finish it right now. See, and it makes sense, I'm going to take your vehicle. See, and it's just all a water pump it want or whatever. And I can't do it right away. And go tell you, I'm going to take your car if you put it down for a water pump. No. Just say, here, I can't deal with it right now. Because XYZ, me have 10 vehicles in front of you. See, brother, at them way there, the old mechanic them try to do. But what them do, them take the job for the money and put on your vehicle and then start getting run around now. See, I'm going to get to touch it and ray. When them don't get all some of your food already, then we have to wait because you don't give them all money already. See, so them things there, we have to cut out them things there. Because remember the China man, them dealing with them thing now. And the China thing, I understand it, you go in, you diagnose the problem and them just fix that right away. You can't go wrong with that, people. See? A good everybody want to save money and want good service, no matter who open it. Alright? So, I tell the people them right now, if you don't have a good mechanic, stick to them. See? Yeah, the driver them, a Jamaican, we have a good mechanic from a long time. we're giving a good work, and a fair price and everything. Stick to them, because enough situation more time. You go to boom, I have a vehicle, you don't even have the money, the full money, or maybe you don't have the money this week. But through you mechanic cool, and from a long time you go this, and you're the man cool. You bring it in and him sort it out for you. And next week when you get all pay now, you go to boop and pass through and come give me money, and you're good same way. You can't do that with the Chinese man them, you know. You have to have your money. That not gonna work with the Chinese man them, massive. Remember that, good and bad. That not gonna work with the Chinese man them, so don't go dash way. What them that say? Dash way your old broom, or old broom for sweep new broom, or some type of talk what the old people them say all the time. But you don't know what I talk about. See, so now having a good long time mechanic, stay with the mechanics. See? When I say when you can't go test out and see what I go on down the Chinese man them and just go there go see one and two times and some little small thing and see, yeah, and see the service and thing. But you don't have to, because you get good service same way from your mechanic and you're comfortable with him, the price alright with him treat you good. You can't go the Chinese man them and trust. You can't have a shot. Them not in that with you. See? So remember that. Alright now, the Chinese man them have plans, you know. Because if I just want them open up so right now, go on, people are flocking so right now. You think so them are going to open up more across the island. And then things are going to get even worse for the mechanic them in Jamaica. Because the Chinese man want to open up more of them facilities right across the island, you know. Because right now the man want to drive from Mobile for come at town for come deal with them thing, you know. It's too much. See? And the lining and the waiting is too much. So the Chinese man them soon start build up more in the rest of parish them. And take over the whole thing in Jamaica after a while. See? So we don't really want that, we want to balance out the thing. Because guess what? Them have rich Jamaican, you know. Them have rich Jamaican who have money, sit down and whole heap of money. Artists them sit down and enough money enough for them. Enough of the hustle them from overseas who set their money and set their money a yard and thing. And them could have opened mechanic shop too. Them could have do them thing a long time before the Chinese man them even come in with that, you know. Open some big nice mechanic shop investment, you know. Seeing as a black owner, you know. Because them have the money, you know. But another say them mind them think they more like a flossing. See? A flossing them more thing they pan. Them not think them way there. Them could have been do that too. So now the China man must have come in and do it. A lot of people make a big deal in a bar. And I don't know for ball about. When they still can't do it and open up black stuff in Jamaica, black ownership, black mechanic, auto mechanic shop. Same way in Jamaica right now. People are go come support it. Once it's brand new and it new. Drivers are going, the people love going on new things. No matter who open it up, them are going to go there and go support the thing. See? So that me I tell you now. See? Yeah man. And you have to remember saying no massive. Chinese people them there in Jamaica for years, man. See? Chinese people in Jamaica. Them have a Chinese community everywhere in the world, you know. In New York, them have Chinatown, you know. China them hold it together with them people, you know. And look out for each other, you know. That's the difference with black people. We fight against each other. The Chinese people them hold it and support them one another. So you can't blame them. See? Chinese people at Jamaica are peaceful people. I don't see them a go around and bother nobody. I don't see them a go around and bother no one all the years them there, you know. Them just live them life, come in, work with them business. The same thing what we did, we could have do a long time, you know. And open more business and them thing there. Even though with that still, we don't support each other in enough ways still, you know. See? Because you find out say a black man might go to book and open all the business and the Chinese man open the same business too, and we go in at the Chinese man business, go take a bite, see me instead of going at the black man business. See? So them things that go on too. See? We need to start support ourselves more. Support black business more. And that me I tell you now. See, because unity has strength. But the Chinese man them that Jamaica for years, man, them not bother the body. Some peaceful people them go about them business. Once them get for check for you, them check for you. You see me I say, even downtown, black people them have work in them Abadashi and them things there. Even though them watch them like ark, you know, because them know some of them stay, you know. You quaint, them rob you, you know. And that your nose, you know, see what they think missing. So the Chinese people them used to them thing that up on them thing there. See? But at them I have to come to the work, see me. See? So, I know nothing wrong with the Chinese man them in the place. The government of Jamaica for us know say you keep them on a limit. Don't make them come with a takeover thing. Them not supposed to in and out, no parliament, nothing. See? Them want to come and invest in our country. Them buy a couple of land and build up them thing. Who want to decide to live? Because them been live there already, a lot of them. Fine. But that's it. Them no rule nothing. Them not make no government decisions or nothing in our country because it's our country. and we for make all decisions. And them have to work with it. See what I mean? So I just that the Jamaica government for just make sure say keep the Chinaman upon a level. Don't make them go like say them want to come in our country, come disrespect our people them and feast them higher than our people. No, we not depend that. Them have to go lift up ever so then. See? Cause them don't want the mass get rat and start rebelling. You know. See, we don't want to go that way there. So just do the right thing, government. Keep the Chinese them in a order. But I give them no waterfront, make them no build up no deck. The deck cannot build up no water, this and build up nothing where them cannot import and take out our things and bring in. No, we not depend that. If them come help with, make them help with. See? Because them make back money out of the thing. China is a business place. China is a business place. I just say boy long too. See? So that's some see the thing. As some see the thing right now. Overall, it's a good thing. We get better roads for the Jamaican people them. And we love that. See? Mechanic shop. Better service. Not necessarily a better service, but another good service. Because we have great mechanics, as I say, in Jamaica from a long time. We do great work from a long time. See? So it does balance out right now. Competition is good. Nothing wrong with that. In my opinion, that. See? I saw the thing go. Yeah. So you're not hearing me massive. Until next time, next week, just tell a friend to tell a friend. See? I'm going to tell another friend. And I don't know. That Ziggie say. Alright? I'm out.